Alright guys, we got the Lightning McQueen truck here. We're going to be peeling off the wrap tonight. We got the off-road LED bars, LED lights, World Score custom grill, RK Sport hood, Lightning's eyes here looking at us. We got a custom-made bumper with the Shreddy Life, LSK suspension with the King coilovers and triple bypasses. We got the Fin Resis, McNeil fiberglass. It's tuned by HP Tuners. It's an LS3. My boy Ryan out of RKL Diesel in Utah. Fabworks did the headliner. It's probably one of my favorite upgrades on this bad boy. This thing is beautiful, bead rolled aluminum. We got the beard racing seats in here, the harnesses, make sure we're all safe when we're getting crazy in this thing. We got Mar bombers everywhere. It's the only thing I trust. That's a 4-way split screen right there. I have cameras in the fender wells and the headlights and the tail lights. We've got visors here, custom made visors. We got a little dusty in the desert this last weekend. An S-Pod touchscreen unit. 95. Thanks to Maverick for doing all the powder coating for us. Magnus and Superchargers for giving all that power. General Tire for hooking us up. We got Ultra wheels on here. It's got a custom built rear end, 456 gears, 35 spline Curie Racing axles. We have a Curie Racing sway bar custom built out of Izzy Fab's shop. We got IBP coilovers and it's short course 4-link. We got the Fin Resis up here too, the transmission cooler, the Jazz fuel cell. We have the Pro Eagle jack, full-size battery in the back for an auxiliary battery. 2 full-size spares, waiting on Max to get us the tie downs. Speed pull, we got the flag post back here. This thing's awesome, guys, all billet, super clean, easy to install. There's one of the cameras in the tail lights, have them in the fender wells too. Got Woody hanging on here for dear life. Look at those hips. Give you guys a little glimpse on the inside. Got my logo cut out in these things. Beard harnesses, beard seats. This thing's a beast, guys. Headers on here, custom exhaust, Borla, everything's TIG welded, custom headlights in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's cameras in the headlights as well. Custom grill, bumper. The Lightning McQueen truck, guys, pre-runner. Last time you see her like this, she's getting a facelift.